Hey everyone, welcome back to Mark Loeffler Experience. I know guys, it's been a while, 2 whole weeks. I did get to enjoy some time in New Zealand, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, maybe you should, because then you can see where I am in the world, what I'm doing. Check me out on Instagram, Living the Dream 40. We put lots of content there as well. All right, today's video, what we're gonna be talking about is the Ontario market. What's it doing? Where's it been? Where is it going? So number one, whoever tells you they know where it's going has no idea. I've heard reports of it's going down 15%, another 30%. Myself, like now that rates are coming to, like, they're going to soften on rate increases. I think we're kind of going to level off. We're back in like August numbers right now, maybe a little bit below August numbers. As you can see, we're down 8.4% year over year. So that number is going to get bigger. That year over year number is going to get bigger. It's going to get down to 30%, maybe 35% year over year. Because, I mean, look, you got this big spike in February and then it's just boom, cliff, right? I think the cliff is done and we're going to see this. We're going to see boom, 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 boom. You know, maybe we'll have some up months. Maybe we'll have some down months. This is a decently down month, but we were pretty flat through, you know, July, August, September. So we did have about a 3% drop in all the boards that ITSO covers. Here you see the average price. It was $766 in September, and now it's $747. So for a price drop of about $19,000, which is what? A little over, it's about 2.5%-ish. Listen. That would be a 30% year over year drop, right? That's just how that works. So that was a big drop. At least I think so. Let's see what we're doing with new listings. You know, listings are coming off, right? We're seeing listings go down compared to, well, let's compare it to October last year. We're still up, but let's see, compared to October. So October 2 years ago, we're actually down. And we were short on inventory last year, but it is seeming that listings are slowing down. People are not selling their house. Yeah, we're down from 2019, so listings are down. You're going to see, look, it's up 15% from last year, but last year was an anomaly. Last year was stupid. Let's just keep going on that premise that last year was stupid. So we have 18,900 homes, which is a 200% increase over last year, which everything was selling. So there was nothing on the market. But let's look 2020. So again, we're still up, you know, 100% since then. But let's look at 2019. We have 500 more homes for sale than we did in 2019 in these markets, in the markets that ITSO covers. So it's not like that's a huge number. Let's go back a couple years. Let's go back 5 years here. So we're at 18,900. We've leveled off. Let's see. So 2018, almost 19,000 homes, and you know, so that's a pretty. I would say that's an average number. That's pretty average. Let's check out sales. So sales, ooh. 4,500 when we have 18,000 homes for sale, 19,000 homes. Well, that's 4 months worth of inventory. If my math does me correct. Let's check out last September, October. So we had 8,000 homes sell. Obviously a big difference. You know, year before, 9,700 homes sell. 7,700. So we are down. Obviously we're down. Everybody knows we're down, right? So 2018, 6,800 homes. So people, listen, people aren't listing as much right now. And, you know, people aren't buying. There's just not as many buyers in the market right now. There's still a good few buyers, but less people are selling homes. All right, let's do days on market, 22 days. That's kind of leveling off at 3 weeks there. So average is 33 days, median's 21. I like to do average. So yeah, like you're a month, right? You're a month if you're on market. What do we say, 4 months worth of supply? They say 3. My math does, well, I guess they do averages and whatever over a couple months. But there's 3 to 4 months worth of supply, which gives us almost into a balanced market. percentage of original price. I don't really care about that anyways. And dollar volume is going to be down because sales are down and prices are coming down. All right, let's look in different regions. So we have Hamilton, Burlington, Niagara, Oakville. So year over year, they're down 4.4, 0.8, 9.4, and 4.8. Now, you see Burlington had a bit of a spike here. So we'll see how that affects next month. That could have been the sale of a couple of big ticket homes in the area that is driving up that average sale price. That's why it's kind of not the best indicator, obviously, right? When you have a bigger scale of like 4,500 homes, one big sale really isn't going to make a big difference. But, you know, when you have Burlington where you had 103 homes, then that's going to make a that could make a difference. Oakville down 5%, but you can see month over month, like it's down 100 grand. So that's 5-6%. So, and we were, you know, again, we had that spike. So we're coming back to this level here, right? You see this level back in May, like that dropped pretty quickly. I think we're going to test that level again. So like 1.5 average, 1.492 average sale price. But again, time will tell. Like, I mean, you can see, like, okay, so Niagara and Hamilton are dropping, but they're not dropping as quickly as some of these other markets. And I still think there's decent demand out there for well-priced properties in both of these areas. So Waterloo Region is down 8.4, Cambridge is down 15.8, Guelph 14.7, and London 5.9. So you can see that obviously there's some bigger drops down there. And we looked last month, if you remember on that video, that Waterloo Region had gone negative year over year before most other places. But again, we're going to see some big numbers, right? Like again, Waterloo Region, $1 million average sale price, and now we're 760. So there's, you know, 25-ish%, right? I mean, you got Cambridge, which had a higher average sale price and now has a lower average sale price. These are just fun things. Like, aren't charts fun, everyone? These are just the best. And you see, like, London went from 642 to 614. So that's not an insignificant price drop. But, I mean, look, we had London at 620 and it went to 610. So there's 10,000. And that's, you know, 28,000. So about a 4% drop. I think we're going to come back to... Hey, okay. Poll time. Comment down below. Are we going to see December 2020 pricing? So that would be like, well, you can just mark it right here. Are we going to see those prices again in these areas? So London would have to drop another, what's that, 7-8%? Or are we going to blow through there? Waterloo Region, again, a fair bit. That's another 10, 15, almost 18%. So there's some big numbers there. So comment, let me know. Let me know, guys. Oh, look at this, Kawartha Lakes. Maybe they're just not recording all the sales. And let me just see. Kawartha Lakes, 5 sales. Yeah, it's probably not recording all the sales, so I'm probably just gonna take that out. No point having it if it's not actual information of all the sales, because I'm sure there's more sales than 5 homes in that entire region. I'm pretty sure, because I've seen one realtor who sold more than that in October. Look at this. Kingston's holding up extremely well. 2.2% negative year over year. Peterborough 5%. I mean, so they're pretty average. I mean, they're still declining, but they're not like falling off the map. Peterborough was down 1% month over month. Kingston a little bit more, so they did have a bit of a drop, 2%. So, I mean, that's, again, if that's me, I'm like 2.5%. That's a big drop. I'm still looking for great properties. And, you know, again, we're going to get the commenters. Oh, he's just telling you to buy because he's a realtor. No, I'm buying myself. We just closed on a 90-unit building. A little bit different. I'm waiting in Ontario for the prices to come down on the commercial properties. So far, they really haven't. I am waiting. I'm a buyer of those types of goods, but I'm waiting for that. If they drop like they did on these properties, I would be gobbling up assets like you wouldn't believe right now. But lo and behold, we're not there yet, so time will tell. New listings are up 73% in Peterborough, so you know that's pretty big. But I mean, again, can't compare it, right? So let's go back to October 2020 was 158 listings. Kingston was 268. So we're actually down from 2 years ago. Last year was an anomaly. So when you see all these numbers in the media and people talking about, a lot of these things are an anomaly, right? They're just not real. They're fugazi. Hey, fugazi. That's all. It's just a smoke screen. You're going to see all these big numbers, and a lot of it's just a smoke screen. So don't get scared. Invest with your head. Make good decisions. All right. Again, let's look at Waterloo Region from 2 years ago. 856. So we're down. Well, they're down a lot from last year too. They had a huge spike in listings. Look at that. Oh, that's 2021. I want 2020. Let's check out 2020. Oh yeah, they're down huge. So when listings go down, buyers are still going to buy. So that squeezes the supply, which again causes prices maybe not to fall by as much. I'm just putting that out there. This is just a guess. Again, for everyone who loves it when I say it, I'm just a guy on YouTube looking at a computer screen, trying to interpret what this is for building my own wealth and helping you build yours. Again, we'll go back to 2020 because that's probably what the thing is. So Niagara's down from 2020. Burlington's way down 25%. Hamilton is down, 10-15%. Oakville is down, like 33% in new listings. Like, I'm looking in some of these areas and I'm not finding inventory. I'm finding inventory, but I'm not finding it. It's either not priced well or it's not something I want. So again, I'm looking. Hey, anybody, if you got a home to sell me in Glen Abbey, I'm happy to buy it. Dun, dun, dun. Homes for sale. As you can see, there is inventory. Just overpriced, in my opinion, probably. But let's check this, okay? So we'll go to October 2020. So it's up since October 2020. Like, there was no inventory then. Like, we're more than double in everything. We're almost triple in Hamilton. Oakville, again, same numbers. It's actually kind of ridiculous. Niagara, more than double. Burlington, more than double. But let's go back to October 2019. Hamilton is double. Burlington is almost double. Niagara is very similar, 20-ish%, 25%. Oakville is down from October 2019. See, every market is different. Know your market, right? Inventory is up. Well, I don't think we need to go through all that. Inventory is up. We can see that for ourselves, but well-priced inventory. And hey, if you're out there and you think it's too overpriced, just put an offer in. You never know what you're going to get, right? Sales are down, and they're at winter numbers or COVID numbers right now. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Do you guys find this stuff as interesting as I do? Because I love this stuff. I could sit here and read this stuff and go through all these things all day long. Oh, comment down below. What do you think is going to happen to the market? Who should be on this channel with me that you would love to hear from about this market right now? All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys next week. Have a great day, and I will catch you later.